Hello there. In this video, I'll be showing you how to quickly draw up a floor plan that we need to create your professional lighting plan and quotes for you to get your project started. So the essential four pieces of information that we need for your commercial space is length, width, height, and number of artworks for your space. In most cases, your space is in a rectangular shape. Most of your artworks are hanging on the walls, and we will need the length of the space, the width, and the height. Okay, and you can draw this on a piece of paper, or you can draw it in Paint or any software that you like. And next that we need is we want to know where your artworks are on this simple floor plan, and you can use the tick mark to show us where your artworks are. Okay, now if your space is in like a irregular shape, you can also draw this for us, maybe a L shape or a circular shape or a triangular shape. Doesn't matter what the shape is, as long as we get the length, width, height, and the number of artworks that you have, along with some photos of the space. Then we can quickly use this information to create a professional lighting plan, a 2D lighting plan, and a professional quote with all the products that you need to light up those artworks. Hope this helps. Thank you so much.